I really struggle with my home care. I used to really struggle with brushing my teeth every day, and now I do brush every day. I'm using an electric toothbrush now, and I'm now brushing usually twice a day. I also have an electronic flosser called an air flosser, which means that I don't have that tape stuff that goes in between your teeth that I always thought was going to rip my teeth out. And now we're working on trying to get me to floss twice a day as well.
For a lot of survivors, one of the results of their childhood experience is that they don't actually put a high value on themselves. They don't have high self-esteem, and they don't actually think they're worth a great deal. If you don't think you are worth much, then you don't actually think it's worth looking after yourself. So they often don't have good techniques for looking after themselves. They don't exercise, they don't eat well, they don't have regular dental care, because these are all a sign that you actually think that you're of some value.
I find that when I'm brushing or flossing my teeth, the biggest problem I have is when my gums bleed, and I feel like my teeth are going to fall out, and that there's a major problem even though there mightn't be a major problem. In a way, it's very similar to being in the dentist's chair, where everything becomes just focused on your teeth and your mouth. I do use intradental brushes now because of the gum infections I've had in the past that have ended up being major issues. I find that at least if I do use the intradental brushes every couple of days, that'll help stop any problems. At least you're not going to go through major dental procedures as often, because I suppose I'm trying to avoid going to the dentist, so the more I can do to avoid going to the dentist, the better.
I don't have any trouble brushing or flossing. I guess now, because I've been educated with the good care that I've received through seeing an oral health therapist, who tend to have a different approach and teach you different techniques. So for victims, we have sometimes bad gagging reflexes. It's just an uncontrollable thing that we have. And I think being able to see a good professional person who can help us overcome that, maybe using things like electric toothbrushes and educating us, it's definitely helped me.